Hi, my name is Brendan with Allstate Home Leisure. Today I'm just going to go over the controls and operations on your Jacuzzi 13-foot PowerPlay. So the first thing we're going to go over is the control panel. On the left side, you're going to have your 3 buttons that control your jets. On the top button is going to control these jets here. They're going to have a high and a low setting. So you push it 1 time for the low, 1 time for high, and then a 3rd time when you want to turn them off. Your second jet button controls the other half of the hydrotherapy jets. Just like before, you have low, high, and then again if you want to turn them off. Your 3rd jet button is going to control just the swim jets. This one is simply just going to be on or off. There's no high or low setting for it. All right, so on the right side of the control panel, you're going to have your temperature up button, your light button, and your temperature down button. So the temperature in the middle that it's displaying is the temperature that the swim spa is currently at. So if you want to turn it up, for example, you just push this once, your numbers will start blinking. That's what you're going to be setting it at. You just push it up or down to whatever desired temperature you want. And in a second here, when it stops blinking, you will be good to go. Your lights, they're just simply push them 1 time and it'll go into a variety of color modes. And if you push it again, it'll choose one specific color to be at. So now we're gonna go over the menu options. So to get into the menu on this one, you're gonna push the temperature up button and then the light button. So the first thing you're gonna have here is your temp button. So if you see the little blinking range, you can turn it up or down. So what that's gonna do, the temperature range up option lets you change the temperature from 80 to 104 degrees. The temperature, or the range down button, lets you go from 50 degrees all the way up to 79 degrees. So next you're gonna have your mode options. You're either gonna have ready or rest as an option. Ready is gonna make it so the water circulates on jet 1 every 30 minutes. That way it's constantly maintaining the temperature you have it set at. Rest mode is gonna make it so the tub only circulates at the pre-programmed filter cycles that you set. Next you have your time option, so you can set it to whatever time it currently is at. We recommend doing this, that way when you program your filter cycles, it's going off the accurate time. So first is gonna be the hours, push the light button when you're done with that, and then you can select your minutes as well. Next is the flip screen, so when you're in the swim spa, you can flip the screen, that way you can see everything that you're controlling when you're inside. So the next option is the lock option. So you can lock it by clicking the up arrow, go to your temperature, turn it on, and now, if you try to change it, it's gonna say it's locked. When you wanna unlock it, you're gonna push and hold the temperature up button, and then go ahead and just slowly push the light button twice, and it'll say unlocked. These are your diverter valves. So these are gonna divert the pressure from the back side of the hydrotherapy seats and add them to the front side. And if you turn it the other way, it takes them from the front side and then adds them to the back side. So this button's gonna introduce air into the massage. So right now it's a pure water massage, and when you push it down, it introduces air in there. That covers the controls and operations of your Jacuzzi 13-foot PowerPlay. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us at the number below, and we'd be more than happy to help you.